Need to catch an earlier flight? Or did your plans change at the last minute? Good news! Delta Airlines offers a same-day flight change option that can help you switch to another flight on your travel day. In this video, I'll explain exactly how Delta's same-day flight change works in 2026, who is eligible, how much it costs, and the easiest way to change your flight without stress. Let's get started. What is Delta's same-day flight change? Delta's same-day flight change allows eligible passengers to move to another Delta flight on the same calendar day as their original departure. This is useful if you finish work early, you want to arrive sooner, you missed your preferred departure time, a later or earlier flight fits your schedule better. Remember, your new flight must usually have available seats in the eligible fare class. Step 1. Check if you're eligible. Before changing your flight, make sure you qualify. Generally, you should have a confirmed Delta ticket. Request the change on your original travel day. Choose another Delta-operated flight. Travel between the same departure and destination airports. Some ticket types may have restrictions, and certain fares may not qualify for same-day changes. If you're unsure, checking your reservation is the quickest way to confirm eligibility. Step 2. Find available flights. Now look for another flight that better fits your schedule. You can do this by opening the Delta mobile app, visiting the Delta website, speaking with a Delta airport representative, calling Delta customer support. If an eligible flight has available seats, you'll usually see the option to change your itinerary. Not every flight will qualify, especially during busy travel periods. Step 3. Review any fees. Depending on your ticket type and SkyMiles status, a same-day flight change may include a fee or may be waived. Always review same-day change fee, if applicable, any fare difference, if required, taxes or additional charges. Before confirming, carefully read the total cost shown on the screen. Step 4. Confirm the flight change. Once you've selected your new flight, review departure time, arrival time, airport, seat assignment, baggage information. If everything looks correct, confirm your new booking. Delta will update your itinerary immediately. Step 5. Get your updated boarding pass. After your flight is changed, download your new boarding pass. You can access it in the Delta app, through your email, at an airport kiosk, from the check-in counter. Always make sure you're using the updated boarding pass before heading to security. Step 6. Arrive at the gate early. Even though you've changed flights, airport timing is still important. Try to arrive at your new gate well before boarding begins. If you've switched to an earlier flight, you'll need enough time to pass through security. Reach your gate, board before the gate closes. Missing boarding time could result in losing your seat. Bonus tips. Here are a few helpful tips. Check flight availability as early as possible. Keep notifications enabled in the Delta app. Have your confirmation number ready. If the app doesn't show available options, ask a Delta airport agent. During holidays and severe weather, availability can change quickly. Things to remember. Before requesting a same-day change, remember, it must usually be requested on your travel day. Not every ticket is eligible. Available seats are required. Fees vary depending on your ticket and travel benefits. Your new boarding pass replaces the old one. That's how Delta's same-day flight change works in 2026. If this guide helped you understand the process, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Travel Smart Help, and turn on notifications for more easy airline travel guides. If you've used Delta's same-day flight change before, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a safe trip.